Tank America 14, as US trade with the exports of energy have grown 70%, then we think, should we invest in a local tank crew in America or not? My reply is, well, Venezuela already has tank officers and ratings. Why invest there if we already have a pool there? How about Panama? Total in America there are 40,000 officers. Why not have environmental, social governance solution, ESG, which is if you have tankers trading America, have America officers and ratings. They can also learn English. We have systems for English, for training them, and so on. Therefore, think about that seriously, because this is going to be a tanker America trade growing pattern and growing concern. You need to have Asians in America, or you can really train Americans. Well, some without visa trade ships, for example, Caribbean or Pacific South and Atlantic South, without USA. We also have 2,500 Cuban officers available. Most of them have very good English. The English situation is very simple. Chile and Argentina, which are the further away from USA, they have the lowest English. And then if we go up to Mexico and to Cuba and to Venezuela, then we have better English. Panama, for example, has much better English control than the southern hemisphere. So please think about having local tanker American crew. Why? Because if you do, the officers and the ratings will respect, they will like. It's a different situation than Asia. They will not do 9 months ratings or 6 months petty officers or officers 4 months. They will rather really be with their families longer periods of time, but there is going to be long-term retention, because we, the Latino people, are family people, so perhaps we can have 6 months for ratings, and then petty officers 4, and then officers 3, 1.5, that would be ideal, and then the top 4, 1. Why not? Because the travel expenses are much lower, and we can manage in a way that we can have the reliefs in Panama, for example, which is very nice place for most of the reliefs in America. Thank you very much indeed for your time, dear tanker owner. Look forward to have these proposals today, because this is going to be a huge investment for your talent solutions. If you have a fleet of, let's say, 200 ships, we could do 50, no issues. Out of them, we could have something like 30 with US visa. This is Peru, Panama, Venezuela officers mostly. And then if you have 20 without US visa requirement, then we have mixed with some Cuban officers and ratings. Thank you. Bye.